Good day, my people, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss what they call microbial growth curve. Now, this concept now serious and important concept for microbiology, where every scientist or student of microbiology must understand this concept. And waiting with the microbial growth curve. The microbial growth curve now diagram wey dey try to explain to us the process of the life cycle of the microorganism, wetin dey happen for microorganism. If microbial population dey, wetin dey happen for that population, how the life cycle of that population dey be from the inception all the way to death. Now, wetin dey happen, e get four major phases or stages wey dey for the microbial growth curve. The first one na the lag phase, followed by wetin we dey call the log or exponential phase. Then we get the third phase or stage wey be the stationary phase or stage, and the last and final one na death or decline. E dey important as a scientist to understand all these stages, wetin dey happen for all these stages. Now, the first stage na the lag phase. For this lag phase, wetin dey happen na say na the time wey we just introduce the microorganism for the first time into the culture media, into the environment. The microorganism never too sabi that environment, never too sabi how to make use of the resources wey dey inside that environment. So e dey struggle, e dey try adapt. Na new environment, e no dey used to the place. So na period of adaptation. So because say na period of adaptation, no be period of rapid growth, because the microorganism just dey try understand the kind place where e don find himself. So that stage dey call am the lag phase. Now, if we comot from the lag phase, the next stage wey we dey go to na the exponential or the log phase. And this na the phase wey scientists dey call am say talk say this stage na the stage of rapid growth, rapid development, rapid division, because at this time nutrients don boku, resources don boku, and the microorganism don adapt to the area. E don sabi how to use the culture media for all the things wey e wan do. So e go dey grow very rapidly. Very rapidly, 2 go become 4, or 1 go become 2, 2 go become 4, 4 go become 8, and na so e go dey grow, dey go, dey go. Now, at this stage, e dey important to know say many times, many industrial processes wey we dey do for microbiology, we dey exploit or we dey make use of this log or exponential phase. We dey use am for alcohol production, we dey use am for fermentation, we dey use am for production of vaccine. Na usually this stage wey be say microorganisms go dey grow very rapidly, dey give rise to many different types of substances wey dey comot for their body. So we dey use am very well, we dey make use of this stage very well for industrial processes. Now, if we comot for the log or the exponential phase, we go to the next phase wey be the stationary phase. Now, for this stationary phase, nutrients don dey reduce, e no boku as before, e no plenty as before. So competition don dey, serious competition go dey between the organisms, because nutrients no dey, resources no dey as e bin dey before. So at this time too, many of the organisms fit come dey release wetin we dey call secondary metabolites. These ones na different kind of chemicals wey dey dey use compete with each other, try to reduce the growth of the other one so that they themselves go fit survive. So for that stationary phase, wetin dey happen most of the time na say the number of organisms wey dey come through, wey dey divide, and the number of deaths wey we dey get for the organisms, e go come dey equal. So instead of make that curve dey go up, the thing go come balance, come be like straight line, because the number of organisms wey we dey get, wey dey divide, and the ones wey dey die throway, the thing don come balance, e don come dey equal. So the line go dey straight. Now, after this one, we we'll come go to the last and final stage, wey be the stage of decline or death. And for this stage, nutrients don almost finish for the system. So the microorganisms no dey even see any nutrient for any of their division or any of their process again. So many of them will come begin dey die. They no go fit sustain life again for that area. They will come begin dey die, and the thing, this decline, dey very tough on them. So at that time, we come see say death of the microorganisms will come dey higher than any division. So the curve will come dey come down. If I go reach a point, the curve go dey break to show say most of the organisms wey dey the system don die. Now, this process dey important for any scientist, especially anyone wey be microbiologist, to understand these four phases wey dey for the microbial growth curve, the way the microorganisms go move from the lag phase to the log or the exponential phase to the stationary phase, and lastly to death, decline and death. Thank you for listening to this lecture. Have a wonderful day.